that was our last breakfast here in Bali, because today we are leaving. Oh, and by the way, Tony is still sick, so it was only the 3 of us. And Vanessa is driving for her first time in her whole life a scooter. And this in Canggu. Do you need help, Vanessa, or? You got my highest respect. Okay. Drive carefully. Oh my god. This is our mission for today. We need to repair the drone. Vanessa found a spot called Bali Copter, and they open in the next 10 minutes. We're now gonna drive there and hope that they can repair the drone within 1 day, because I mean, as it is our last day here today in Bali, we're leaving. We're leaving tonight. So we found the place where it is supposed to be. I mean, there's also a sign saying it. Bali Copter. It must be here, but it looks closed. No, looks like a private property. Bali Copter? Bali Copter?
Yeah.
Yeah? It closed or? Hello. Ah, okay, okay. I thought it's closed. Okay, okay. Terima kasih. Okay. Okay, we now asked to sit down and take our seat here. And this must be it. Oh my god. I hope that he can help us. Buggy.
Hey.
No problem. We're here for a drone.
Yeah.
So this is the drone, and I crashed it into a tree yesterday.
Yeah.
Here. This arm, yeah, just fell out.
Wow.
Yeah.
You need to change the arm.
Really?
Yeah. If you need to change too.
Yes. Okay. Good news. He might fix it today already. What? Yes. Yes. Seems like that he can fix it today. It's just a question of how much it will be. Are you looking for an arm or?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
I checked the stock and I only have the right.
Ah, the right. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I really hope that he has it. Yeah. Huh?
For the left arm.
The arm which is broken is the right one, and he only has the left arm. He's not looking for the right arm. I really hope that he has one. So this is this arm which is broken.
I just have the left one.
Only the left?
Yeah, I need the right one.
You know what it's like, so many drones. Are they all crashed and broken or?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It really is like a museum in here. It's like so many, it's like a graveyard for drones. Okay, so we're now driving back to the hotel. He's now looking for an arm. As I already said, like, we need the right arm which is broken, and he only has a left arm. So he's now contacting a friend, a business partner, whatever, I don't know. But we really hope that he has one so he can fix it. And then we need to come back to pick up the drone. Hopefully. We'll see. So while we're waiting for the drone, we back at the hotel, we already start packing, and Fabian is also applying for a visa, not for today, the visa for the country after we're traveling to. In order to get the visa, you are also asked to upload a picture, but they are very strict with all the requirements for the picture. So it has to be a white background. And we just tried to do it with our phones. I mean, it looks so... I also tried to import the pictures we've taken into Lightroom. I got the app, but anyhow, it's not working. I just masked my face and wanted to...
I found a picture of you with a white background.
But it's great. But there's also something else I want to share with you. For what I'm super excited. I mean, we're leaving today and our current subscriber count on YouTube shows 999 subscribers. And I don't know if it's gonna happen, but my goal is to get 1K before we're leaving today. Hello.
We need some pictures for
Passport.
passport. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ja.
Wie sehen meine Haare denn aus?
We didn't find any pictures, so we need to take some pictures here. Is it not working?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. The flash wasn't working. Ah, okay. Now it's working. Alright, that was easy. Only took us 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. Should be good. Bye bye. So it is now 2:40 p.m. and we still got time left. Our flight departs. When is the flight going? Leaving? 8:30 our flight departs. But we still need to get our laundry. We need to get and pick up the drone. Hopefully he got an arm for it. We need to say goodbye to our friends. What else? We need to bring the scooter. What else?
Maybe get some food.
We need to pay the accommodation. Hello, we are here for a drone. Here? Yeah, okay.
Es ist bestimmt deiner.
Yeah, it looks like this is my arm. So I hope that this is a good sign that he changed it. Did you find an arm for the drone? The arm?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Yeah. But
Perfect.
I need to check in with the remote and try to.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I got it here.
That's why. Yeah.
So we need first to check it if it's working. Or...
Yeah.
That sounds good. Ah, no. Connecting. Ah, yeah. I have version. I have version. I can see it.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
I've never seen a drone from the inside.
This is yours. This is broken.
Ah, this is yeah, okay, that's a broken arm. That's it? Fully assembled? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I maybe do a test flight?
Of course.
Yeah? Okay. Connecting. Ah, yeah. Connected. Okay.
You can.
Yeah. Need to do a test flight.
Yeah, it will be take.
It's
very
working.
long time.
Yeah. Anes, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You really saved my life.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You too.
It's the wrong hand because
Yeah,
you
it's like that's that's the reason it's new.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I
didn't
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh my god. How crazy is that? I mean, I crashed the drone yesterday and it's working again. If you ever have a problem with your drone or it's broken or you crash it, check out Balicopter in Bali. We came here this morning, he repaired the drone, he got the right arm, which we needed, and the drone is working again. Yes! It's a good day, it's a wonderful day. I totally forgot to tell you how much we paid for the drone. I still can't believe it, it's crazy. that it got repaired within 1 day only, and we paid 600,000 rupiah, which are in euros something around 38 euros.
Ja, aber ich hätte vercheckt. Papa muss ich auch. Leute, wir werden euch vermissen, ne? Wir werden euch auch vermissen.
Bye bye. See you in Germany. And get well, bro, get well. Oh man, this is so crazy. What has once started in Phuket on a food court is now finding an end here in Bali. And back then we were total strangers, we became friends, we became really good friends, and this is the final chapter. This is the final chapter on our world trip, seeing them. And the next time it's gonna be in Germany. It is really a little bit sad. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, we got laundry and we just dropped off the scooter. Bye bye Diggie's guest house. It was nice. Hey man.
Hey, sorry.
No problem.
Sorry, we have no internet. We couldn't check here. Yeah.
Problem with my GPS is problem.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh, that's a small trunk. Oh, we got this. We
You
got
can
this.
put here a small one. Your bag in front.
One question. Can we make
Okay, we got this. I mean, it's a small trunk, but no big deal. So we are on our way to the airport, but we have a little bit of a side mission, which is really important. Postcards. We just checked the post offices here, but they are all already closed. So we are now driving to the hotel from Anthony and Vanessa, and Fabienne gonna drop the postcards so they can bring it to the post. You got it? Yes.
Okay, I'm back. Now we can start.
Now we can go. Thank you.
All the best for you and your family.
Thank you. Bye bye. All right. So we are back at the airport. In mask. What?
Das ist irgendwie gerade sehr emotional.
What? Really?
Ja,
Why is it emotional for you?
weiß ich nicht.
Because we're leaving already, or what?
Nee, einfach weil...
Tell me, what is wrong
Ich
with you?
weiß es nicht, irgendwie ist es gerade traurig. I think because of the really friendly taxi driver. He was so
Really?
friendly. Yeah, I don't know.
That's the reason why you are sad.
Yeah, he made my day. He was so friendly.
Yeah, he really was friendly and he was so clever. What?
I'm always sad for the people here who told me it's hard during COVID.
Honey.
Was eigentlich hiermit?
He's really sad. Makassi. How is the sandwich? Good? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we got 4 sandwiches because except for breakfast this morning at the AM Vegan, we haven't eaten anything. Major crisis right now. Here's a total chaos at the airport. No one knows what's going on. Our flight is delayed. But the real problem is that we got no Wi-Fi. And I'm not able to upload the video for today, but even worse, Fabienne's mom has birthday today and we wanted to call her, but we're not able to. Honey, how bad is the situation right now that we can't call your mom? Is it like, really?
Super super bad.
Really? Is it like a major
Yeah.
crisis?
Yeah.
Is it like one of the next world problems we have in this?
Yeah.
Really? Hello.
Sama-sama, good evening. Belum? Thank you, nice person.
We are boarding. Still no Wi-Fi.
Goedenavond. Wie?
Hallo miss, wacht. Hallo.
Two hours later and we are finally in the air. This is my first time flying with KLM and so far so good. We got plenty of leg room and the movies and the home media library is for free, which is good. I mean, it's awesome. 1 hour, 42 minutes left.
Flying with KLM. We hope that despite the delay you had a pleasant day.
Thank you folks.
Bye.
See you next time.
Okay, it's been great.
And we landed. It is now 1 AM and yeah, so many people at the immigration, it's crazy. We're still waiting for the baggage. We just thought we can use the time to call Fabien's mom. I mean, it is already after midnight, but he has no Wi-Fi. Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Do you need both passports?
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
so much.
for-
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. I am tired. It is now almost 1:30. But there's still one thing we need to take care of.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sorry, dass wir uns so spät melden, Mama. Ey,
It was super stressful.
absolutes Chaos, ich sag's dir.
Chaos. I mean, it's okay. It could be like completely broken, you know? Oh yeah.
Yesterday directly to a tree and
Super
I
fast,
thought
yeah.
The whole drone was
I think,
crashed.
yeah. I think you're lucky.
Yeah, I think we are really lucky.